Whether you like coffee or want to explore different coffee shops in Mumbai,
you are at the right place. So Mumbai has a very fast growing coffee culture. Almost every local wants to try a cup of coffee or go to a new trending coffee spot. And we are going to explore one of the best coffee shops in Mumbai, especially in Bandra. Hello, this is Madhurika and I'm your tour guide for the day where I'll show you different coffee places. In the last 1 year, I'm also getting more and more obsessed with matcha coffee, which is also something that we are going to discover here in Mumbai. So let's go to our first location.
which is Mokai. So this whole place has a South Asian influence and you instantly get the vibe with the interior decor, especially its menu which is so diverse and also has like a matcha bar section which was one of my favorite. The whole sitting area also gives you a vibe that the Mumbai has never seen. We ordered a cappuccino and a vanilla matcha latte and that tasted just perfect, like it has the perfect blend of it. But the best part about the whole cafe is the washroom, again something very unique and extraordinary. There's also a music that goes in the background. Other than that, there's this passport looking menu which they call it as a traveler's menu, where you can find all the drinks around the world.
So, rating the coffee shop by taste, ambience, service, and value for money. So, taste wise, it was 4 on 5. Ambience was like 6 on 5 or 7 on 5, was so good. Service was also great, like 4 on 5. And the value for money, I think it is a great value for money considering the ambience and the service side. So, let's consider it 4 on 5. So next up we are going to Sukko or Subco Coffee, which is one of the most hyped places here in Mumbai. So let's see how the coffee is.
So this place is the first branch of Sukko and they have completely renovated it by showing the Vinyosity section on the ground floor, and with that they have a wide display of different chocolates of all flavors and kind which you can buy or even do tasting for it. And on the second floor it's a proper cafe sitting area where you can order, sit back, read a book or even work.
So we got a iced cappuccino for takeaway because obviously we can't sit there. The place is very cramped and I prefer taking a takeaway from Subco. So I want you also to try because I've already tried Subco first. Really good.
Good?
Yeah, it's good.
Give your ratings.
I'm liking
5
it
out of
without sugar also. Like I think it's 4.5. Like really good.
not 5.
I think 4.5. Super is one of the best coffees here in Mumbai that you can take for takeaway. Brand, I must say, have made the coffee culture grown here in Mumbai because the nature of the city is very bustling and hustling all the time. We need a space where we can just go alone, sit back, relax, enjoy a coffee, read a book, or even hang out with friends. So location that we are going to is the OG spot, which is Suzette and Kitchen Garden. I'll show you when we get there. So this is one of my favorite places to have coffee in Mumbai, which is Suzette, the brand. And this Suzette has like 3 chain of restaurant or coffee places, which is like Kitchen Garden, Suzette Bakery and Suzette Creperie. And it's all interconnected. So we just finished our lunch, which you can have in Kitchen Garden, and then head to the Suzette Bakery to have some coffee. So let's see what we can have. And it's also like an authentic French bakery kind of vibe, which is my favorite. So we'll try some French dish, and also let's see what coffee we can have. we have ordered a cold hazelnut latte, hazelnut syrup. This is the first time I'll be trying the hazelnut with madeleine. So madeleine is a French delicacy. I had that when I was in France, and I cannot find it anywhere here in Mumbai. So I'm so happy you already are getting it. So let's try. It really has that hazelnut taste. And let's try the madeleine. So it looks like this, spongy inside. So this madeleine is like little soft, and the one that I had in France was like hard from outside. And the taste wise it's similar, it's just this one is like softer and the one I had in France was like thicker. But overall I love this cafe. I love the coffee, great value for money. I think it's all 5 on 5 for everything. So as this was your first time here, what do you think about the place?
Really good. I don't feel like I'm in Mumbai. It's like south of France, like very slow, chill vibes. Really good. Yeah.
Good, right? Yeah, it's. Would you recommend it?
Yeah, definitely recommend.
Shopping in Bandra is one of the great things you can do, only because the streets are very walkable. And I feel I'm high on coffee right now, but this is the last cafe that I have to show you. This is the last cafe, which is the Bougie Cafe. This whole lane in Bandra is dedicated to this cafe. It is the go-to coffee shop or a place that you can visit if you are in Mumbai. It is perfect. It has all the breakfast options. So we had a hot matcha cafe, a ice mocha, and also a pain au chocolat. All of that, the taste was good, but wasn't in comparison to the other cafes that we visited. And the ice mocha, I can say it was 4 on 5, but the matcha was like 3 on 5. Mocha was the best one to have one. So yes, these were all the cafes, but Bougie is one of those places which like depicts Bandra, and you need to come here. It's one of the good coffee shops. You can do takeaway, it's always so crowded. Overall, the vibe is very much Bandra, like if you would like to visit here. So this was our coffee tour. We almost completed all the coffees which are famous and that you must visit in Bombay. Let us know which one was your favorite. And here, honestly, in Mumbai, it's not just about the coffee, but also the ambience that the coffee shop creates. It's a must try and a must visit. Let us know which one was your favorite. Do comment below if there's any cafe you would like me to visit. We can do a part 2 very soon. Thank you for watching.